going to show what was it like inside the disco. Just super, super loud. Like so freaking loud, it's not even funny. I mean, it was nice once or twice, but today's actually kind of busy. You can't really see the people, but there was actually a lot of people in there. Mostly just sitting around on their ass, doing nothing but drinking. Same as if you were in the friggin' lobby and such. So there's not much going on in there in terms of like fun. Nobody really dancing, so it's kind of boring, honestly. That's why the first time I was only standing around with a couple that I met here. And then the second time with those Russian people and the same couple, we all were chit-chatting and dancing around and such. And that's it. Otherwise, it's kind of boring. What a waste of like 2.5 hours, honestly. And I'll get more into that in a future date about that. So